My name is Jason Pump, and I'm the executive chef here at the Landmark Resort, Carrington Pub. What it's about with the location that makes us special is the fact that we are a little bit out of the way, and the fact that we have a spectacular view that you can see almost Egg Harbor, all of it, and it's like 180 degrees of panoramic water view. I guess the most important thing overall that I'd like to get to is just being relevant with the food and, customer experience. That's a really big goal for us, is to make that as best as we can for our customers. So the first dish we're gonna do is a shrimp Florentine. We get fresh butter, we toss that in the pan, get that hot, throw in the garlic, we just toss the shrimp in. You hit it with the ouzo, you let it flame up, and you don't shake it, you leave your pan alone, and you just let it burn down, and that's gonna put all that caramelization into the shrimp. Toss some sweet potatoes in there, give it a couple of tosses. We serve this one in a bowl, so we put a bed of spinach in a bowl, and we toss everything up, and then we arrange it so it's kind of built up into almost like a little mountain. The next item is a farmhouse salad. It's gone through a few different evolutions since it's been on the menu, and that we start off with spring greens. Then we toss those with carrots, onions, cucumbers, tomatoes, radish, and finish all of that with Monterey Jack cheese. The third item is our ribs. And our ribs have really taken off this summer, so I'm pretty proud of them. Those are slow roasted. Now we season them a day in advance and let everything sit in there, and we pack that seasoning on there to get it some good flavor. Then we slow roast them for about 4 hours. Cool thing about these ribs is our cherry barbecue sauce is just delicious. We have people asking us about it all the time. When it comes to preparing it on the line, we heat it up in the oven with the choice of sauce right on there, and that comes with a choice of potato and vegetable.